What's up, dolls, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also hit the little notification bell, that way you'll be notified each and every time I upload. And for the lips, I decided to go nude, so we're going to go with the Out and About Blushing Nude Lip Trio with Morphe and Lipsticknick. So it looks like this. I'm probably just going to use the lip liner and the lip gloss combo that she has in here. So here's the lip trio right here. I've already used the lipstick and the lip liner before, and I really liked it. They were really nice, so I decided to use it again. So I'm going in with my NYX Suede matte lip liner, and this is in the shade Club Hopper. I love Club Hopper in Copenhagen. So I'm gonna go in and just kind of like overline my lips real quick. Okay, so now I'm going to take the Morphe and Lipsticknick lip liner in Love Bite, and then I'm just going to go all over the center of my lips with it, because this is what's going to bring that nude color out. And so we're going to skip the lipstick and go right into the gloss. And the gloss looks like this. I thought it was really nice. She did really good with the gloss. This smells so good. I got a little bit on my nose. It smells so good, y'all. Wow, this nude is like perfect. And you can never have enough gloss, so I'm doing one more layer. Perfect. So I hope you all really enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did and would like to see more like this in the future, please remember to give this video a big thumbs up. Also remember to subscribe if you're not already part of the QueenDollFacee family. And thank you so much for watching, and as always, be gorgeous, be blessed, be queens, my dolls, and until next time, hasta luego!